Gigabyte VRAM. This is where gaming GPUs existed a decade ago, and where they struggle to survive today. Cards like the old GT 1030 and ancient GTX 750 came with 2 gigabytes, and back in 2014, that wasn't a disaster. You could run League of Legends, Counter-Strike, and lighter titles without your screen turning into a blurry mess. Today, it's borderline unusable. Modern game engines assume you have way more memory than this. When you boot up a 2024 or 2025 title with 2 gigabytes VRAM, textures refuse to load properly. You'll see low-resolution placeholder graphics, constant stuttering as the GPU desperately swaps data in and out, and frame drops that make gaming feel more like watching a broken GIF. Even esports titles that are supposed to run on anything will complain. Valorant might technically boot, but you'll be playing on the absolute lowest settings with textures that look like they belong in a mobile game from 2012. The GPU itself might be capable of rendering frames, but without enough memory to store the visual data, performance falls off a cliff. If you're looking at a GPU with 2 gigabytes VRAM in 2026, you're essentially looking at electronic waste. It won't game, it won't edit, and it barely functions for anything beyond displaying your desktop. This tier exists purely as a reminder of how far we've come.